I started my weight loss journey 10 years ago at 398 pounds. I was like, oh, that made me 54. I'm 64 now, 214 pounds down, getting close to goal. 2 new knees, a year of physical therapy, and no more wheelchair. And I'm changing my whole life. I'm Debbie Garcia, the Badass Baby Boomer, and I hope you will join me and follow my channel and be inspired by the fact that I almost gave up, thought that was my life, but I didn't give up. And now my life's getting better every single day, and you can do it too. We can all do it. It's possible. We can stick together. We can do this. Come on. Follow my channel, follow me, and I'll show you how I've done it. Hello, my weight loss warriors. I'm back. I apologize for being gone for a couple weeks, but after my cataract surgery, about 4 days after my cataract surgery, I had an incident that turned my stomach upside down because I have a really bad stomach. I got super stressed, got super nauseous, got super sick. Sicker than I have been in a very long time. But my husband was sure I had a stroke, but thank God, no, I did not have a stroke. I'm sure I didn't. I just had cataract surgery and my eye is doing amazing. I went in and had that checked once I was able to walk again. But anyway, yes, I got really sick. Stress kills. And stress definitely does a number on me, people. Wonderful people. Anyway, it's shot night and I'm getting back on track now that I'm feeling better. So, as I like to tell everyone, it's 12.5. This is my sixth shot of Mounjaro, 12.5. Turn the top to unlock it and pull out the base. I forgot to do that one time and the medicine went everywhere but in me. So I try to always really remember that. But here goes. And you're supposed to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anyway, yeah, things have been going really good with the Mounjaro. I do not feel any different whatsoever from the 10. I'm down a few pounds, but I think that was from getting so sick after my surgery. But I am Debbie Garcia, and I am on a weight loss revolution. I think we all are. I mean, things have gotten pretty amazing and pretty exciting with the GLP-1 medications and stuff. But 10 years ago, I was 398 pounds, and I was in a wheelchair. And I thought that was my life. I thought I was stuck. And I started my weight loss journey 10 years ago, and I haven't looked back. It took me a long time to get this weight off, you know, and I just keep going, and I'm down like, I was 184 this morning, so that puts me down 214 pounds. Going for that 250 goal, and I'm getting closer every day. But yeah, I apologize for being absent. I'm feeling much better. I had one cataract surgery, eye done, and my other one is April 8th. I have a craft fair coming up April 5th that I'm working on really hard for that. And I'm still, of course, in my Arlen's All Access group, and I'm working hard in there. And I'm just absolutely loving that group. That is the best thing I've ever done probably in my life for years.